Hey guys, welcome back to Review Early. I'm back with another smartphone review. In this video, I'm going to tell you about most popular world's popular processor Qualcomm. This time, mm, Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen Series 7 Gen 3 processor. This is the launch of first mobile going to launch with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor. It comes with a great feature. They're going to launch this mobile on April first first by 6:30 p.m. If you want, you can click notify, check description for link and notify and apply for this mobile, and uh, you will get some early benefit. And before going to topic, they didn't reveal much about this mobile. The mobiles look like a screen. Backside we have a, I think, two cameras. They didn't reveal much. I'm going to tell you one thing about this mobile. It comes with a smooth operation system. This is the one of the best right now. This is the one of the efficient processor in the mid-range in processor. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, the latest generation processor from even Qualcomm included like AI technology with this processor, and it comes with a RAM 2 variants inspired by the design from of flagship products that like OnePlus Nord C4 streams elegance and premium design. And it comes in the variant. It comes with 8 GB RAM and up to 256 ROM. OnePlus Nord C4 keeps your app switching sleek and smooth while leave enough room for storing evidence of all this process. You can I hope like they're planning to they may release like a 12 GB and 512 GB variant also. And fastest charging, they comes with a 100 volts charging and quick super work charging. It always comes with a quick super work charging. Previously OnePlus 12 also comes with the same charging capability, but they have 50 watts wireless fast charging, and it comes with the ABT and Beast, with a full HD plus station to make the most of these immersive being session. One comes 120 Hz refresh rate for the if you go with the like a H Pro, Moto H Pro 50 Pro comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate. And coming to raw camera, it comes with via camera. They didn't reveal much about this mobile. We have to wait till January 1st to know more complete details about this mobile. I'm going to tell you basic things about this mobile, and we have a balanced darkness and the light capturing options. Remaining features are going to reveal by tomorrow, reveal by March 28. These are the main features of this mobile. I hope you like this. So make sure subscribe to my channel. Check the description for the product link. Thank you. Have a nice day. They're going to sell this product in Amazon. Maybe their price may be around 32. I think 28 to 30, in between 20 to 30, 35.